art explorers! Today we're embarking on a colorful adventure to learn about the incredible painter Vincent van Gogh. Vincent van Gogh was like a magician with a paintbrush, turning his emotions into beautiful works of art, full of color and life. Vincent van Gogh was born in the Netherlands, and he had a deep love for art. Even as a child, Vincent loved to draw. He sketched everything he saw, from people to nature, and grew more talented with each drawing and painting he created. He moved to France and worked in the countryside where there were many farms, fields, and rivers. He and many other artists in his time were revolutionary. The work they created was very different from the artists before them, and Van Gogh was among the most unusual, unique, but also misunderstood. While he was alive, he struggled with rejection and ridicule from galleries and museums. They didn't understand his paintings and considered them too weird. So Vincent van Gogh never knew success as an artist. He never gave up, though, and constantly worked. He was super passionate about art. Vincent had a brother named Theo. When he wasn't painting, he often wrote letters to him. In them, he talked about his art, his life, and his dreams. These letters give us a glimpse into his world and help us understand his vision. People today have learned how truly amazing he and his paintings are, and he has become one of the most famous artists throughout all of history. Looking at his art is like stepping into a world of vibrant colors and emotions. His paintings are alive with feeling. Van Gogh had a special love for the stars. He painted them in many of his works, and they often shone brightly in his night sky. Here is his painting, The Starry Night. It's a swirling masterpiece that shows the night sky like you've never seen before. And here we have sunflowers. Van Gogh's love for nature shines through in this bright and cheerful painting. Van Gogh was known for using bold colors and thick brushstrokes. His paintings are full of life and energy. He even painted his bedroom, showing that ordinary things can be beautiful too. Thank you for joining us on this colorful adventure through the world of Vincent van Gogh. Remember, art is a wonderful way to express yourself and share your feelings. Now it's your turn, young artists. When you make art, try to make each painting, whether it's a starry night, a sunflower, vibrant, full of life, color, and emotion, just like Van Gogh. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell for more artistic adventures. Keep dreaming, keep creating, and keep exploring the world of art. See you next time, young artists!